My name is John Palucci. I'm President and CEO of Rolling Mix Concrete. So right from when I started here in 1986, I took a lot of pride in the company because I looked at it as a company my father had started, and the big thing for me was to not only maintain the company he started, but watch the company excel. The next generation, as they've been coming in, have seen the growth, have seen the amount of work that goes into running a company like this. And they've really stepped up to the plate when it's come to that. They really have the drive to learn the business and take over the business one day, which really helps myself kind of relieve the stress of what's going to happen when, John is not here anymore. And that's a big thing to me. Again, I just want to see the company keep thriving like it is and just keep growing and growing with the community. The company has grown quite a bit in the last 4 or 5 years with the economy and us taking on more and more work, and the Canadian Western Bank has been there for us at every turn. Anything that we've asked, they have accommodated to. They see the value in what we're doing. We have such a good relationship with the Canadian Western Bank. Best relationship I've had with any other financial institution. They really make an effort to understand the business. I can't say enough about them. It's just like I say, no matter what it is that we ask, it seems like they come back and they will make it work one way or another. That goes a long ways, knowing that you have a bank that is behind you, that you can rely on, that you know is going to be there should there be hiccups or more equipment needs or whatever the case may be. We know that they're there for us. Peace of mind is big, and Canadian Western Bank gives us peace of mind when it comes to all our banking needs and the equipment financing. I love coming to work every day. I love what I do. I love the fast pace. I love the environment. I can't see myself anywhere other than Rolling Mix, if that makes sense. Like, it's huge to me. It's huge.